Hi there, student. Ipse Dixit. Okay, this is a noun. It means that somebody says something, but it's not proven. The only authority is that the person said it. Let me give you an example which will make it much clearer. Imagine a parent and a child, and the parent wants the child to go to bed. So the parent says, "Go to bed." And the child says, "Why?" And the parent says, "Because I say so." Okay, that's an Ipse Dixit. It's just based on what the parent says and nothing more. But this is, an Ipse Dixit is a much more formal word. This is something that they use in legal English. Okay, it's a statement that only has the authority of the person who said it. So, for example, if a judge makes a decision that does not agree with the law, then the only authority for this is the Ipse Dixit of the judge. It's legal because the judge says it's legal, but it doesn't comply with the law. Okay, so it doesn't have any other authority than that of the judge. Or maybe a teacher says, "It's okay to break this school rule in my class." Then the only authority for this is the Ipse Dixit of the teacher. Think about court cases where you have an expert witness who says, "This is his handwriting." Maybe the only authority for this is the Ipse Dixit of the expert. It's true because the expert says it's true, and the expert can't be wrong, can he? Okay, so an Ipse Dixit, it's like a dogmatic opinion. Let's see, in the past, philosophers and orators used to use this, saying, "Aristotle said this." So if Aristotle said it, it's got to be true. And there was no other proof apart from the fact that Aristotle had said it, and therefore it's true. He could be wrong as well. We're all wrong from time to time. Okay, Ipse Dixit comes from Latin. Ipse, reflexive, himself, herself, and Dixit, said. So he said it himself. They said it themselves. Okay, so it's a statement just justified because you say it and no more. Okay, notice this is a really formal phrase, mostly only legal. If you use it in an informal conversation, people are going to say, "What? What does that mean?" But if you're using it in a really formal document or a formal essay, an Ipse Dixit is an interesting phrase to use. In an informal conversation, an unsupported comment, an unsupported opinion, an unproven opinion, something like that, yeah? A statement without proof. And that's what I'd say informally. You can't use this phrase informally. Okay, so an Ipse Dixit. Something that somebody says that must be true because they said it. The only proof is the fact that they said it and no more. So, for example, your expert witness in the court, he says, "This is my opinion." And the court says, well, it must be true because he's an expert. Who knows? Or the philosophers or the orators saying, because Aristotle said this, but that's an Ipse Dixit based on the infallibility of Aristotle. Okay, so Ipse Dixit, a really formal phrase. You're going to ask, sometimes you ask, what is a 10 in formality? I think we're getting really close to the 10, if not a 10. Okay, so maximum formality. Be careful where you use it. Yeah, another Ipse Dixit from me. Okay, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ipse Dixit.